field is on gate. They're off at a quick beginning from Cherry Royal Ruby, sent right to the lead by Dan Daly. It opens up. Cherry Royal Ruby has kicked away by 5 in a blink of an eye. Reverend Nanny second as they approach the backstretch, and off stride went Cherry Royal Ruby. Off stride at the back of the pack is Speedy Prayer. So now inheriting the top is Reverend Nanny. Reverend Nanny now off stride is Aries DeVee. Aries DeVee has made a break as they move up the backstretch. In second is Night Flicks Hanover. And then far back off stride is a Cherry Royal Ruby. Back trotting now going to the quarter is Aries DeVee. And the distant trailer is Speedy Prayer. Opening quarter is 31-4. Top two have it to themselves here. It's Reverend Nanny leading it by a length and a half, and Ray Schnitker not far behind with Night Flicks Hanover. Then it's a break of about 9 lengths back. Recovering after that early break has been Cherry Royal Ruby. Off stride again went Aries DeVee, and far out of it on a break is Speedy Prayer as they head to the half. And now out of the pocket, punching to the left, is Night Flicks Hanover. Night Flicks Hanover up to take the lead at 13-1 with Reverend Nanny. And look at Cherry Royal Ruby, and the favorite got right back in contention here. They went a half mile in a pedestrian 1:03.3 as they approach the backstretch, and Night Flicks Hanover gives them the slip up the backstretch by 3.5 lengths. Over in Reverend Nanny, Cherry Royal Ruby is third and still has a shot here as we move up the backstretch. But Night Flicks Hanover started to build an imposing lead. The lead is up to 4.5 lengths on Reverend Nanny. Cherry Royal Ruby is in third. And far back in fourth is Aries DeVee. And Night Flicks Hanover starting to run up the score here at 13-1. 3/4 in 1:33.2. Final turn, Night Flicks Hanover by 8. Reverend Nanny second, Cherry Royal Ruby third, and they're at the top of the stretch, and all alone is Night Flicks Hanover in the first division here of the Mike Cohen Trot, completely isolated by almost 10 lengths. Night Flicks Hanover crushing the competition here at 13-1. Night Flicks Hanover romps home. Reverend Nanny second, Cherry Royal Ruby was third.